So imagine this, you are about to head out somewhere important and suddenly your iPhone just refuses to charge. This actually happened with me recently and honestly it's one of the most frustrating situations. But the good part is in 90% of cases you can fix it in 2 minutes. And in today's video we are going to talk exactly about the same thing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, don't panic. Just check your charger setup properly. Try using a different cable or adapter if you have one. You can also plug your charger into another phone to confirm whether it's working fine or not. Even a power bank works for testing. Just make sure you press its power button because iPhones sometimes don't detect auto charging. If everything seems fine there and your phone is still not charging, then the issue is usually with the charging port. Over time, dust, lint, and small particles build up inside the port, especially if you keep your phone in your pocket. From outside, it may look clean, but inside, it can block the connection completely. Just take a soft brush or even a toothpick and gently clean it. Don't apply too much force as the pins inside are delicate. Once you clean it and plug the charger back in most cases, your iPhone will start charging instantly. The same thing happened with me. I thought something serious had gone wrong, but it was just dust. So before you assume the worst, try this once. It can easily save you a lot of time, effort, and even money. And also there won't be any requirement to go to the service center. So this is how easily you can fix your iPhone in case if it is not charging anymore. So I hope this video helped you, and in case if you liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.